Hello and welcome to the complete JavaScript course. My name is Indra and I will be your instructor for this course. In this course, we will learn the JavaScript programming language from the ground up. We will start by installing the necessary softwares to write and run JavaScript program in our local machine. Then we will discuss about printing out something inside of the console. We will then discuss about the necessary primitive data types, all of the data structures, and we will basically finish up the basics. Then we will gradually move the difficulty and we will learn about the advanced concepts such as the async await in JavaScript. We will learn about the promises, we will learn about making API calls, DOM manipulation, and so on and so forth. If that sounds good to you, you are in the right course here on YouTube. Okay? So before moving forward, I just want to discuss how this course will work. So in this course, we will be learning about all of the basics and the advanced concepts of JavaScript. So here we will not be creating any sort of projects or something like that, okay, in this course. But after finishing up this particular course, you will be good to go to tackle any JavaScript project, whether it is a backend project with Node and Express, whether it is a front-end project with React or some other things, right? So in this course, we will be learning the JavaScript fundamentals and the advanced concepts. I am super excited for this course. If that sounds good to you, then let's get started.